meteorites are shocked when parent bodies collide with each other, which is actually the process during which a meteorite is expelled or released from its parent body, but also at the same time it can be shocked. And therefore shock scheme has been defined from going shock 1 to shock 6, and afterwards the material gets melted. And then there's first a very qualitative description that there's unshocked meteorites or moderately shocked meteorites or very strongly shocked meteorites. And this is then further specified by using olivine, plagioclase, and orthopyroxene here. For example, the olivine develops in very weakly shocked meteorites some undulatory extinction. In it's moderately shocked, there's some weak mosaicism and planar fractures and with a very high shock stage, there's then solid state recrystallization, ringwoodite melting, and so on. And finally, there's whole rock melting. And this can be done for the various minerals in thin sections. And this is then correlated to shock pressure of, for example, in unshocked, it's less than 4 gigapascals and can go up to 35 gigapascals in S4 to 75 in S6, and then 90 and above the entire 90 gigapascals and above the entire meteorite is melted. And this is how the shock stage is determined using thin sections.